things. This we hear it a lot, and unfortunately, we always hear it after there's been something negative, especially this time of the year where we hear about children and pets. Something really tragic that didn't need to happen because an owner of a pet or a parent just forgot about a child or a pet in a car.
Could be prevented are occurring by people, again, leaving their small child, companion animals in vehicles. And the temperature, as Lieutenant Pauk alluded, it is vastly different inside a vehicle.
Every year, hundreds of pets die from heat exhaustion because they are left in parked vehicles. Your vehicle can quickly reach a temperature that puts your pet at risk of serious illness and even death.
Can you please help me? My dog is outside. He's too big for me to lift and he's not moving.
Dogs die in hot cars. If you love them, leave them at home.